Oh, yeah, again. Twice in one night. What's this all about, he said. Right, a group build. Buddy build with Paul. Right, pedestrian crossing. Don't ask me how many bits are in that one. I ain't got a fudging clue, but it's thousands of buggers. 5.75 millimeters long and 170 millimeters wide. I know I like making big, but this takes a piss. Let's go with it. That's 102 bits. Now we all know I ain't no professional modeler, but these are professional model kits. Quite like that. And to go with that, this one's not too bad. Got the water crane. Actually, it's about 50 bits for that. Now the group builds a Panther and a tracked vehicle. So I picked the Panther up yesterday in Gloucester for $14.99. I was looking for it, so I thought, bollocks to it, I'll have it. And this is where we are so far. Just got the top bit and bits and bobs in the front to do, and that's together. It's a Tamiya kit, it's a basic bit, but kit. But it's what you do with it, isn't it? Excuse me for a second. Mr. Professional as usual. Not ready. Pretty shitty shit you went down today. Serves you on right. You don't deserve to be in the team, in the Premiership in my eyes. And I'm a Swansea fan. Not my track vehicles, this. I started making that in a week. Was it last weekend? I think it was last weekend. Bear with me 2 seconds. This is where we're at. All that's done inside. Masking took me forever and a day last thing to do. I nearly lost the plot a few times. Stamped all over it, but I didn't. Real nice kit to put together. Bit awkward in places. Don't really like not after using metal tracks, but I spent enough in this building already. Inside the doors are all painted up. Ready to go. And this looks pretty cool, I think. I've seen one of my Russian friends, don't ask me how to pronounce his name or his channel because I haven't got a clue, but he's made one with the same sort of vehicle but with the tarpaulin on. And Mr. Builder in America, he's done the same as well, so I thought I'd do it different and have it open. I have no tarpaulin on it, but it's going to be sort of a summer scene anyway. It was supposed to be a street scene, but mine ended up being a railway scene. Figures. Ooh, where's he gone? These three buggers are ready to go. All primed, ready. Holding it ahead for him. Because on the box art, he's reloading the rifle, but a found a Dragon rifle in the spare box. You ain't gonna see this. But the bolt is out. It's a two-piece kit. You can on the Dragon rifles that I've got, you can either have a closed bolt or open bolt. So I've opened the bolt, and any other one, I don't know whether you can see that, I've got him so he's reloading with a stripper bullet as well. Panzerman Bill, you just gives me so much inspiration on changing kits and figures. That's the second one. I've had finally had the balls to excuse me, wet palette, to try new things out. This geezer's running. Master box, didn't want to change the head. The head's beautiful in these. Good expressions on the faces. I've got one half finished. I can't find the title. Right in front of my bloody eyes. This one's half done. Change his head. Now these figures, master box as well, they must have been an earlier edition because the faces were pans, really pans. So I had a look in what I've got for the hornet heads in the stash, and I got that one. The Tancred. My Tancred arrives. The tank is going to be down, and my man Nick from Autosports Models and Collectibles. These are discontinued. They've been discontinued for a while, but Nick being Nick, big shout out to Nick, he found them. I played to him. Quite cheap as well, about 16 quid. Lovely faces on them. Don't have to change anything on these guys. Looking forward. My man in Ireland, Shane Smith. I've been watching. He's done a character in this uniform, but he's injured. I've been watching how he does it over and over again, just to get some colours and all that stuff. So we give that a whirl. Big shout out to Shane. Another top banana. Oh, loads of shit going on. Too much. And then I've got my Battle of the Bulge one to finish. My Indian one to finish. Native American, I should say. Being rather racist, sort of. This is real nice to put together. Simple, just like me. So I'll have the top bit finished tonight, and should be ready for primer. Oh, another one. Big shout out to CW Models, Ian. I've seen him using some of this for primer, save the airbrush, getting clogged up. Good shot, pal. Goes on lovely. Right, that's enough of me waffling on. Have a good evening, gentlemen and ladies. Sorry. Cheers for watching.